Hey, money magnets. I found a secret credit union with $50,000 credit cards.
Look, Glory, what I love about this credit union, not only does it have $50,000 limits,
Mhm.
anyone can join for a $1 deposit. And today, guys, we're going to talk about RBFCU Credit Union.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the first card, which is the World Cashback card.
Okay.
Now, this card gives you 2% back on every dollar that you spend.
Right.
Okay. And there's no annual fee. So, what that means, money magnets, is you can have this card in your wallet and don't pay anything for carrying it.
Exactly.
That's really important. It has zero liability. If someone goes shopping with your card, Marvin,
Right.
you don't have to pay because guess what? You're covered. Also, Marvin, there's $1 million of travel insurance.
Right.
For example, that in Atlanta, they just had an incident where the Delta plane ran off the runway.
Right.
Money magnets, this will cover you.
Right.
But Marvin, let's talk about what other cards that they have available.
Let's talk about the Premier Rate card.
Mhm.
This is a card that you can do a balance transfer and you'll have a low rate in case you have a high interest card that you're trying to transfer over to this card. This is the card to have for a set interest rate. Now, the good thing about it is no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, zero fraud liability insurance, also $1 million in travel accident insurance. This is good if you're going to use it as an everyday card or you're just trying to get away from that high interest. Because guys, we're trying to teach you strategies to have high limits on your cards so that will transfer over to the business. Glory, let's tell them about the one business card that they have.
Okay. Now, with the business card, it's the Business Select. There's no annual fee, so you're not paying anything to have it in your wallet, okay?
Right.
There's no foreign transaction fees, and it gives you $1 million of insurance as well. But Marvin, one thing that I do love about these cards is, just say, for example, Money Magnets, you did a balance transfer on one of your other cards with 0% interest for 12 months or 18 months, and that time has ran out.
Right.
Well, these cards are perfect for balance transfers. You can leave that balance transfer and go into a whole new one, Marvin.
Yeah, and 2.9% is not bad for another 12 months, but you got to make that transfer or those purchases in the first 90 days. And look, guys, if you're looking to fund your business up to $250,000, Glory and I work with credit unions, banks, and entrepreneurs every day.
Yes.
It's not the fact that we do something totally different than what you do, but it's who we know and it's what we know that can help you raise that money for your business in no time. But Gloria, let's tell them about the secure card that they have.
Okay, Marvin. They also have a secured card. Now, of course, the secured card is secured by your savings account.
Right.
But this is a good way for you to jumpstart your credit, money magnets. Look at these credit unions, because I think a lot of times, Marvin, we always want to go to the mainstream line banks, but the credit unions are nonprofits and they're all about the community. So this is a good way for you to, rebuild.
Yeah. And if you have issues with your credit, there's nothing wrong with getting 3 secure cards. To me, it may be better than getting a Kickoff or a Credit Strong, because you're building a relationship and they'll graduate you from a secure card to an unsecured card.
Most definitely.
But Glory, let's tell them about the personal loans and the personal lines of credit that they have.
We're going to jump right back into this video, but I just wanted to take a moment and share something with you. I know you're wondering, how can you qualify for this card if you don't have great credit? Well, guess what? I've been there before. I went through a bad divorce, I had collection accounts, and I even lost my business. Well, no worries. I have the solution for you. It's Luxury Credit Hacks. It's a 3-step process. Number 1, it imports the credit report for you in under 1 minute. Can you believe that? Step number 2, it creates your dispute letters for you. You don't have to think about it. And number 3, it emails it to you. So then all you have to do is print, mail, and you're done. All the work is done for you. Let's head right back over to the video. Okay, Marvin. So the personal loans go up to 60 months.
Right.
Now, keep in mind, money magnets, these are $50,000 loans. So if you have an emergency, maybe you want to get married, whatever the case may be, this would be a good opportunity for you to apply for a loan like this, because their interest rates are low and they give you that longer term of 60 months.
Yes, and they also have a line of credit. So I want you guys to know the difference between a loan and a line of credit. A loan, you got a set payment for a set amount of time. A line of credit, you can use it, pay it off, and use it again. And you don't have to apply for at least 1 year in most cases.
Most definitely. Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the auto loans.
Okay.
Now, with their auto loans, it goes all the way up to 72 months.
Right.
Okay. But if you're looking to buy a boat or some type of recreational vehicle, it's going to be a little bit lower. So those months are only going to be 60 months.
Correct. And then the good part about it, they defer your payment for 60 days. So guys, think you can get the new car or the used car that you want, and you have 60 days to pay for your first note. That could help you save up some money. So Gloria, let's tell them about the home loans that RBFCU offers.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the home mortgages.
Look, they have a first-time homebuyer program that you can get into, but they also have FHA and VA. Now, it depends on if you're a veteran or if you're a first-time homebuyer. They have plenty of programs that you can choose from. But remember, RBFCU has a partner called Domain Mortgage that they help you with the mortgages with. And Gloria, let's tell them about the home improvement loans they have as well.
Okay, Marvin, let's talk about the home improvement loan.
Okay.
Now, with this loan, they give you up to 125% of the market value of your home. Okay.
Nice.
And it starts at $40,000. So if you're looking to fix up your home, or you need some improvements, this right here would most definitely be the way to go.
Yeah, and depending on what you want from your home, they also do home equity lines where you can get a line of credit against your house versus a loan. So it depends on what your needs are. But guys, they offer land loans, construction loans, and even 100% financing loans. So if you're in the market for a house, I would definitely check them out. But Gloria, let's give them a recap of how to join and what bureau they pull.
Okay, Marvin. So with this particular credit union, you only need $1 to join. You
Yeah.
don't need to join any of the nonprofits that we talk about.
Right.
So this is open to all areas in the United States.
Yes.
So it's not geo-fenced or locked. Okay. The other wonderful thing about this credit union is that they pull Experian. So you want to make sure that you at least have a 700 credit score.
Right. And guys, remember, this is one of the top credit unions in the country.
Yes.
So make sure that you have less than 3 inquiries on your Experian. Also less than 3 inquiries on your check systems. All right, guys, comment below if you have any experience with RBFCU, because we want our community up on the latest data points if anything changes with this credit union.
And Money Magnets, don't forget to like and share this video.
And look, if you're a business owner looking to raise up to $250,000 for your business and you need 0% interest for 1 year, make sure you get in touch with us, because we have business relationship managers that all we got to do is make one email to help you get approved.
Okay, Marvin, I have a gem.
What you got, babe?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you want to know another credit union that has high limits, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.